I'm going to be teaching you how to make a hat. So this is the hat loom. Here is this thing that you use with it. And then here are the scissors, and then you're going to need yarn. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the tip of the yarn, okay? We're going to grab this thing, the hat loom, and you see this little arrow, so you can look around your hat loom, and once you find this, you can tie it right here, okay? So you're going to tie one knot, not too hard. Okay. Okay, just one knot, not a double. And now, with your string, you are going to wrap it. So you go under and you wrap that. So you go there, then wrap around. You see, you can push them down to the bottom. You go all the way around. So now I'm going to go fast, all the way around. Almost done. So okay, once you get to the end, you're going to do it again, but keep it on the top, okay? And go all the way around. And in your yarn, if you do find a knot like this, just keep doing it, okay? We can get rid of the knot once the hat's done. So keep going around. Once you get to the end, you're going to get your top and you're going to go get the bottom. Keep holding it on here or it's going to fall apart. So you're going to get the bottom, right? And lift it over that. Okay? And then you can let go of this. And then push that to the bottom. So I'll do it again. Do that. Pick it up. The two first ones are the hardest. And then keep going. And instead of using this hand to push it down, when you do it, you can use that. So that's what I like to do. Okay? So I'm going to do the whole thing real quick. Okay, almost to the end. I'm going to put it in my lap. I can go faster when I do that. You go all the way around. So this loom is small, so it's for a toddler kind of. I use this for my baby brother. And yeah, go all the way around. So once you do the last one, we have the bottom. Remember when we did the top earlier? We have to do the top again, okay? Go all the way around. Okay, once you get back, you're going to hold on to it, do the same thing, and do the same thing we were just doing. Get this one and put it over that, and then push that in front. Okay? And you're going to keep doing that over and over and over. And then this will start to get longer. And yeah, so you're going to keep doing that. And I'll show you how to end it and how to make the padding for your ear. So, bye. Okay, and then I forgot to tell you guys that, so this is what it's supposed to be looking like after you've done some stitches. And after this thing right here, you can try, it's hard, but take it off, okay? And then you can just pull that under like that, okay? And then we'll cut that off later. Like about this much or however much you want to. So like I've done this much. Right now we're making the ear padding. So I did that much. When you're going to put that on, and look, once you do all of it, that's how much ear space you'll have, like extra padding for the ears. So what you're going to do is you're going to do what I just did. You're going to get them and you're going to put them on the hook. So you see this? You see that? You're going to put them on the hooks. And make sure you only have one of these on there. Okay? So these are going to be the new top ones. And you're going to go all the way around. Make sure you have the very top and put it on top, okay? So I'm going to go all the way around. And, right? You see, I just did that. You want to make sure we do the fourth one, yeah, right there. We're going to go all the way around. And it shouldn't take too long. Once you get good at it, you can do like 2 at a time. Okay. And then last one. Okay. So, right. This thing, remember from the end, that's, you can just keep that there. But this is what it should look like after. Okay? And then once you're done with that, so, let's see. We are going to, oh, I forgot to do this one. Okay. Okay, did that. So what we're going to do is we can start basically on anyone, but I'm just going to start where I left the string. So we're going to do the same thing we were earlier, okay? Okay. Just go and get that one and go over and do that. And go all the way around. Okay, so going around, and yeah. Okay, so this I'm finished, and I'm going to take it off. So I did a little extra just in case. So yeah, you want to do a little extra. So I'm going to do my last wrap around. Okay. So go around. This is not part of taking it off. I'm just doing it the last time, and then it will be done. Okay, so now, oh, right, there you go. So I did that. Now how we'll take it off is we're going to get the string, and we're going to like do about, just do a little bit of string, okay? So you're going to cut. So now I have about this much, and I am going to, so over here with the last little bit of string, we are going to pick, so you're going to pick that up, and you're going to put the string inside it, okay? And you're going to pull it out, and then you're going to take it off the hook. So I'll do that one more time. We're going to lift that up. We're going to put the string in the loop. We're going to pull the string out. And then you take it off of that. And you're going to go all the way around. Okay? Okay, so now I have 3 more to do. Almost done. Last one.
Now I'm finding things that don't belong in certain drawers.
And then you're going to, so you see how that, you're going to squeeze that until there isn't a hole. And then, after you squeeze, you can get a needle, or you can just do it with your fingers, and you can like, you see how there's still kind of a hole? You can sew it up. And then you can tie the knot. You can do a couple knots. I'm going to do, I think, I'll do 3. So after I did the knots, you can cut about right there, okay? And then take that out. With your hat, we can take this, cut this up, but the knot's right here, so let's just tie 2 knots right there. Okay. So, let me try a couple more, because you want it to go all the way down. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, that's good. So then you can cut that, and then your hat is done. And you can make a pom-pom.